It looks like everything ay mababalance na rito. I do pick up someone here is maaring magkaroon ng initiative to do something para may mangyaring pagbabago. Yeah, look at that. We have here this nine of coins right in here, and bago yan, no, nakita ko while shuffling yung ace of wands. So definitely someone here, no, ayaw niya na rito yung feeling ng mag-isa. Oh, that's big message. Let us see. Sino ba tong ayaw ng mag-isa? Ang gusto niya bang makasama ay ikaw? So, let's all together find out, no? So, let us see what do we have here sa inyong reading. Sweetheart, just take only what resonates. And maraming salamat, Archangel Michael and Angel Guides, para sa palagiang presence ninyo sa reading ni Collective. Thank you so much, na-appreciate kita, babe. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon, nakatutok, no? At nakikinig, no? Gamit ang iyong handphone, notebook, laptop, computer, at ano man, no? Na iyo ritong gamit na advanced technology. Oh, I see that you're waiting here now for someone and it looks like this is you. Medyo nakikita kong naiinip ka na, no? You're already losing patience, na unti-unti, no? But I do see that you could be waiting here for someone. At hindi lang ito basta someone. This is someone really, really, really special sa heart mo with the Two of Cups energy. I do see, no, na sa back ng thoughts mo, okay, you believe that you are both destined for each other, na kayo talaga, no, yung para sa isa't isa. So, you're waiting for this person here na iniisip mo, no, na ito talaga yung person para sa'yo, no. But with the biggest moon right in here, no, you do not know what's coming, no, sa inyong connection, okay? So, let us see. But I do see, no, someone here coming. So, tingnan natin kung yan ba yung hinihintay mo. Ooh. Six of Cups, definitely a lot of soulful connection. Six of Cups right in here, no? And the Two of Cups, no? And center of the reading, definitely, no? Another confirmation. Three of Wands, okay? Talagang meron kang hinihintay. Okay. Uy, at saka isa ka talaga rito sa nagpapaburo, 'no, sa mga energy or tarot readings. Parang hindi mo kaya girl, 'no, or hindi mo kaya pre kung wala ka talagang pinanood, 'no, na energy or tarot readings araw-araw. Nakikita ko rito, 'no, at mukhang parte na 'yan ng iyo ritong daily routine, ang panonood at pakikinig, 'no, ng mga energy or tarot readings lalo na kung resonate ka. Bottom of the deck, we've got here the Four of Swords. Okay. Okay. I just heard rescue. Yan, no? Rescue. Pagsalba. Save. Okay. So before we dive more sa inyong reading at para bago ko sabihin sa inyo kung ito ba yung hinihintay mong taong paparating because 'di ba nakita ko nga dito ay mamaya. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi mo pa alam na mayroon pa po tayong main channel ng The High Priestess, ang link niyan down below sa description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga natin gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible magka-switch ka sa general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, sa nakikita ka dito mga babes, no? The person that you're waiting here, na iniisip mo rito, na siya yung person, na destined kayo for each other, okay? Yes! Siya yung person na hinihintay mo and actually parang narinig ka ba talaga niya rito 'no? Pero alam mo, bago mo pa siya rito hintayin, siya ay kumikilos na, gumagawa na rito ng mga hakbang na hindi mo nakikita at namamalayan. This person here is already doing something 'no, para makapunta sa'yo. So, may mensahe itong tao na 'to para sa'yo 'no, huwag kang mainip dahil siya'y paniguradong darating at darating din. Ano pa nga ba pinag-uusapan nating ibig sabihin? May babalik 'no, babalikan ka niya, magbabalik siya sa buhay mo, yun ang nakikita ko rito at ito'y walang iba kundi ang person rito 'no, na minsan na talagang nagmahalan kayo 'no. Hindi ko na nakikita rito anong dahilan kung ba't kayo parang nagkawalay dito 'no. Ibig sabihin kapagka gano'n ang lumalabas na hindi ko na nakikita yung dahilan, ibig sabihin hindi na importante kung paano kayo nito nagkahiwalay, ang importante kung paano kayo makababalik sa isa't isa. Uy, ang cheesy nun, Pero yung nakuha kong mensahe na ibig sabihin it's not important anymore 'no, kung ano yung parang naging dahilan dati, kung ba't kayo nagkaroon ng separation or disconnection from each other. It's not important anymore. What's more important right in here is that, okay, paano kayo magbabalik sa isa't isa 'no, at ang pagbabalik sa piling ng isa't isa. Definitely, this person here is already now making movements 'no, and yes, bago mo pa siya rito hintayin, alam mo kasi ikaw yung klase ng energy na mahilig ka manood ng mga energy or tarot readings 'no, at mukhang nitong mga nakaraan 'no, ay mukhang ikaw ito 'no, na you feel excited, you have mixed emotions, and at the same time, no, aside from feeling excited, you also feel confused if the reading is for you, but you feel that that reading is for you, no? And then the reading, no, ay ang mensahe na may magbabalik rito, person that you love, an ex will be coming back sa inyo, no, and you will start all over again, no? Yun yung mga readings, no? Na napapakinggan, napapanood mo hindi lamang sa mga YT kundi pati na rin sa mga ibang social media platforms na alam naman natin kalat na yung mga ganitong klase 'no, ng um, mga ganitong klase 'no, sa mga social media 'no. So, however, this is you 'no, wala namang masama kung maniniwala 'no, at ikaw ito na hindi ka lang basta naniniwala but you feel the connection. Nafi-feel ko talaga miss yan, yung reading talaga na yun ay para sa'kin. Alam ko talaga magbabalik siya sa'kin. Alam ko talaga that we're destined for each other, pero hindi ko maiwasan na maguluhan, lalo na alam ko na hindi lamang ako yung nanonood ng mga energy readings, marami ring energies. Alam mo, sweetheart, I want to tell you because, yeah, yung iba naguguluhan sa gano'n. Miss yan, alam naman namin na marami kami nanonood ng energy readings. Sa isang reading na na-upload, marami kaming nanonood, 'di ba? So, hindi ko alam kung ako yun. Alam mo, if you feel that the reading ay para sa'yo, like ramdam na ramdam mo, I'm gonna tell you. That's how you read and that's how you claim the messages from the tarot. Okay? It doesn't matter kung gaano kayo kadami na nanonood, no, ng particular specific reading, no. What matters most is how you feel. If you feel that kind of strong, very intense connection with the reading, then I'm telling you, the message ay yours for the taking, no. So if you feel like that this reading I mean is for you, then, okay, the only thing na nakikita ko rito na nagiging problem is that you're confused because you feel like you're waiting. You know, my loves, we have different timelines. Okay? Ibig sabihin, no, hindi porket nagbalik na yung ex ng isa sa inyo, no, na manonood kahapon, eh, hindi na babalik yung sa'yo porket hindi nangyari kahapon, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin yun ang timeline niya, yun ang pagbalik ng kanyang ex 'no, but it doesn't mean na hindi na babalik yung ex mo 'no. Iba lang ang schedule ng pagbalik ng ex mo rito, sweetheart, or iba lang ang schedule ng pagbalik ng beloved mo 'no, dito. So nakikita natin that your person right in here meron siyang message for you 'no. Okay, hindi ka niya narinig pero ito na talaga yung plano niya 'no. Alam mo kasi magkaiba kayong dalawa, eh. Ikaw naniniwala ka kasi sa tarot, siya hindi, eh, okey? Pero hinahayaan ka lang niya, alam niya kasing mahilig ka diyan, okey? Pero hindi ka niya narinig, okey? Kundi plano na talaga niya ito, 'no? So, nakikita natin dito na ang message niya for you ay huwag kang mainip 'no, kasi ginagawa niya na yung buo niyang makakaya 'no, para bilisan na with the Six of Swords to the Knight of Swords 'no, yan yung parang traffic 'no, slow to moderate. Ang daloy ng trapiko 'no, sa kanyang pag-andar papunta sa'yo na ibig sabihin, makasisiguradong siya ay darating at darating 'no. So, 'wag ka raw mainip 'no, siya'y magbabalik sa buhay mo. Itigil na ang pag-aalala, Five of Cups energy, okey? Dahil kung feel mo na ang reading na 'to ay magbabalik talaga yung person mo, then you're right, okey? Alam mo ang maganda is mag-pray ka 'no, para mas mapabilis ito 'no, sa pagdating or pag yari 'no, ng wish na ito here 'no. At nakita ko dito na with this Four of Swords right in here, King of Cups and the Three of Swords, this person here hurt you, ne. So, kasi naman 'tong person na 'to nakikita ko rito 'no, that the one who hurt you will also be the one who will cure you, who will mend your broken heart 'no. But this time, this person here will heal yung kanya ritong nadulot na pain sa'yo, sa iyong heart, sa iyong life. So I do see that this person here wants to make things right, wants to have this legacy now, wants to create that strong foundation with you. And this time, I'm hearing this person saying, hindi na kita iiwan. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave your side. Not anymore. Yun yung bagay na hinding-hindi niya na uulitin pa na gawin. Talaga miss yan? Paano ka nakakasigurado dun? Well, my cards never lie, no? In the first place. So I do pick up that this person right in here is definitely telling the truth. How many percent? 303%. So I do see makasisigurado, makakagarantiya kayo rito, no, that this person right in here is someone who's speaking from the heart, not just from the heart, but the bottom, the bikini bottom of his or her heart, no? Hindi sila SpongeBob, Patrick Star, no, at Sandy ang matatagpuan mo dun, Mr. Krabs, kundi kapag sinilip mo ang kaibuturan ng kanya ritong desire, ito ay matatagpuan mo. Yeah. Okay, nakakalokang mensahe 'yan 'no. So see, your person here is telling you to wait a little more, baby. I just heard the word baby, maybe baby ang tawagin ninyo, or maybe this person here really wants to create that home here with you guys. Baby is that child in the future, or kung baka may anak na kayo nito sa iba sa inyo, you know, just take how this resonates, or baka naman ikaw ang ibe-baby niya. Makatulak. Makatulak wagas. So yun nga na mga babes, nakikita natin dito that this person here is definitely coming back, and that's for sure. Yes, that's for sure. Certainly, definitely, no, at lahat-lahat na, this person here is coming back sa'yo. Yes, for the initials right in here, and yeah, mayroon din tayong mga numbers. Okay, initials muna. We have B, J, G, I, M, L, P, S. And for the numbers, we have 7 and 5. Spiritual number 7, it looks like you are receiving definitely the right messages coming from the divine that this person here is coming back. Just end the confusion lamang, no? Don't be confused. Just stay connected with your intuition, okay? And number 5, don't worry, everything will change. Okay? Para mawala na rin ang iyo ritong pag-aalala at pag-agam-agam, no? Mangyayari ang gusto mong mangyari. Okay. So yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. Again, I'm Yana on me for the girls in Yana. Do not for the boys. Sarang Heya Love and Light. Okay, don't forget to check out the other channel if interested for more collective readings. Link down below. Sarang Heyo.